just got these door handles for cabinets from Amazon, and I want to give them a quick review. So this is the box that they come in, and it's packaged like so they're very safe. They're not going to scratch each other. So there's 10 handles in here, and they are made of zinc alloy, so they're heavy duty, and it's got a elegant curve and rounded corners, so it's not sharp, and it looks modern and sleek. So yeah, there's 10 of these, and they come with 2 different sizes of screws, a 1.5 inch screw, and then a 1 inch, depending if you have a single ply or a double ply cabinets. And you can install these like this. I'm going to replace these old ones and get these thinner ones. I think that they will look a little bit classier. You can put them on your cabinets or your drawers. And yeah, these are some nice handles, and I like the package, and I would recommend them.